Hi, how's it going? I bought a GNC Systems Turbo 3 vent to fit onto my Renault Kangoo. First I laid everything out on the roof to see where it would all fit and moved them around until I was happy with them. As you can see, the solar panel I need some different brackets for, as due to the curvature of the Kangoo roof, all the feet are not in contact. So I'm going to get some different ones. And then I cut a hole through the insulation inside with a 95mm hole saw, switched to an 80mm hole saw to plunge on upwards and outwards through the roof. I can't believe it. I've cut a hole in a perfectly good roof. I deburred with a file and then added red oxide. And the insulation on the inside, the fiberglass, I got a pair of scissors and gave it a trim, bit of a haircut to tidy it up. And then it was a simple matter of lining up the vent and one screw on the inside to secure it in place. Bit of a light breeze and off she goes. I didn't use any Sikaflex yet. I've just followed the manufacturer's instructions and hopefully should be okay like that. If not, I'll just undo that screw and put some Sikaflex on and put it all back together again. So, fingers crossed and see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching. I love you. Bye bye.